Now, let us check the customer section. We will have both cash sales as well as credit sales. This section is used to know to whom we have made the sales. When we click on that, a new screen appears. In ledger name, we have to type the customer's name and press enter. If the customer has another name, type that in the alias section. If there are descriptions and notes for the customer, type them in the respective sections. Next is the opening balance. This is more useful for someone who has already done their accounts in books manually and is now computerizing their accounts, so opening balance is the sum of money already a customer needs to pay. Let's type 1,000 rupee for this customer name. You can see the debit as default. Then save the data. So on the right side, we can see a list of customers and you can select accordingly which customer you want. When we tick this box, we can see the extra details like contact info, billing address, etc. The billing address is where the customer wants his items to be delivered. Type the rest of the details like province, zip code, contact person, phone, mobile, fax, email and CC, etc. Click on this if the shipping address is the same as the billing address. If it's different, we should manually type the details here. Now, tax details. Click on this if GST is applicable. In Gulf countries, we have VAT. Type the GST number here and other necessary details should be provided here. And when you click on the VAT, the GST section would be disabled automatically. Type the VAT registration number and details like the applicable form and tax percentage here. Next is card details. We have to type the card number and expiry date here. Then we have the opening points and closing points section. Below, we have to type the MasterCard name and MasterCard number. The next tab is personal details. Details like date of birth, profession, age, blood group and Aadhaar number need to be typed here. For adding an image, we can click on Browse and select an image from the system. The details we have provided on the top would be the main ones, and the rest we have filled is the additional information of the customer. Finally, click on Save to save the data.